if your X account is temporarily restricted, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So this happens when you have simply violated some terms and conditions of Twitter. So you can fix it by these steps. First of all, launch your X application. And you have to locate the specific post where you think you have violated the terms and conditions of Twitter and delete that post. Once you have deleted that post, you have to tap onto your profile, tap on settings and support, go for settings and privacy. Under here, tap on your account. You will see account information, tap it, and then you have to verify your X account. You may go ahead and verify your account via your phone number or email address. In my case, my account is already verified, but if you would like to do the same as well, tap on phone here. First of all, you have to type in your password in order to continue. And once you have entered the phone number and verified via your phone number as well, your restrictions will be lifted after a couple hours. In order to lift your restrictions, you have to verify your X account and let X know that your account is genuine. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.